Yorubas Hausas should learn how to respect others. In Nigeria, a lot of people have saying that they are one Nigeria, but none only say one Nigeria when it have something to do with the system. Maybe how money will come, how people will share money, or how people will take what belongs to others and they share it themselves, or send it um, to the Western world bank, like a Swiss bank, And it's when you see people calling themselves one Nigeria. And the people doing this one Nigeria most is the Yoruba medias and the Yoruba politicians and the Hausa humble servant of the British. Because Hausa can do anything. During the first Asante War, second Asante War, and the third Asante War, British have been playing this role of using the Hausas and the Northerners and giving them weapons to make other people to be minority. British transport the Hausa people of Nigeria or Niger through Lagos to Ghana to conquer the Ashanti people. Even today, the people living in the northern part of the Ghana Hausa people of Nigeria. So, for me, there is nothing like Nigeria existing inside Nigeria there. Because if you want to know how it works, the boss and the molu or taxi driver or bus drivers who is traveling long distance from east to north or north to west or west to east, just listen to the drivers or conductors, how they talk there. Which people is inside this bus, then we will hear. Hausa people tell you that Inyamere is here. Igbo people will tell you that the Yorubas are here, or Ndofemani is here. There is also people of Ofemili, Cross River is Ofemili, or Mbamli River State, or Ijegebe. Where are you going, Igbo people? Ondingwa, Ndiohoho, and many names you will hear that will tell you that there's nothing like one Nigeria inside Nigeria. I found Nigeria not even, like this. Each time you think about what is Nigeria, you have to start seeing this. Because everywhere it just turn you like a fire. You not understand what you do. Yorubas will put you inside what you don't want just to make you money. And before you know it, your head will burst, scatter. The Yoruba pastors are feeding people's lies everywhere, telling you that you have to dip your pocket, you dip your hand inside your pocket and bring the money and pay tithe and offering, that God is not a poor God. Yoruba pastors do not know that people need food to eat. People need to educate themselves. People need to integrate themselves. People need to travel around and see others and feel the environment where they're born. Yoruba pastors have denied this right for the people. Instead, it's feeding them lies from the so-called Bible, telling them the word of God, or they have to believe in white Jesus or white Mary or whatever they feel like to believe. But the one question that nobody have ever given me the answer is, have you ever seen this God? No. Did this God tell you the color he has? No. So why painting such thing like this and bringing it and enforcing it to people and making their mind to be focusing on this and when I can see some people, some Igbo people, they don't know anything else, only the Bible talking what is happening in the where they don't even know. I don't know how to say this. African people, where the grown-up thinks like a baby. When we read about Egypt, I think that Egypt is in heaven, or think about Israel, that Israel is in heaven, that Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, Aaron, all these things never exist here on earth, but in heaven. I say, wow, what kind of mentality? Who have done these people all these kind of things? It's Kumi, Pastor Chris, Yekromi, TB, Joshua, all these Yedepo and the Kiri people making 419 with the name of God. And when they tell you to touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm, I can tell you that you are not a prophet, Kumi, and you are not a man of God. You are a man of money. All of you are working with money, because without money there will be no man of God. Without the Igbo people having also this money, there will be no people dying to preach for the Igbo people. When Igbo people is only problem, nobody will be there. Only that these people are the people working hard, even if when they lose it all, they have to work hard and work hard to build it again. Only that is why Yoruba people never want to leave these people alone. Instead, they try to deceive them because they like believing in what they don't see, Igbo people. When you want to deceive Igbo man, just telling him what he don't know or what he never see. But when you telling him what he know, what he see, then he call you foolish, man. Just you want to deceive Igbo people and get them, feeding them lies, even telling them this lie is in the sky because they cannot climb the sky. If you are telling them what is here on earth, Igbo man will not believe you. So, Yorubas have to leave the people alone and stop deceiving people now. Because this is why the Western world are supporting the Boko Haram to be killing them because, and also me, I support it because all the people living here on earth, going to the market here on earth, sleeping here in the house on earth, everything that they see here is in earth. But they don't believe. They believe is still that God is in heaven and everything is, when they die, they go there and they get the paradise. That's why they are destroying all they have. Igbo man don't know his history, even the meaning his name he don't know. How can I go to Yoruba church and allowing Kumui or allowing the money pastors to touch me here? No, they will not do that. My name is Chukwu Emeka. Have history or the meaning from my forefathers like God, troop, lion. What again? So, my name is Chukwu Emeka from Nwokedi. After Nwokedi is Chukwudi from Isuofia. And later also I tell about his true and who I am, because that's what I'm telling that making me to understand who I am. Talking about Sodom and Gomorrah, Nebuchadnezzar, Philistine, and everything. It makes me to forget all my own history. I think all this thing written somewhere there have to be some people's history. And they have nothing to do with me in this new generation. I read history, I write history, I read also history. Your own history have to be your own history, and my own history have to be mine. Yoruba pastors, stop feeding people lies. If you are a beggar, it's better that you tell the Igbo people that you need money and you beg. Then they can give you this money that you can solve your problem. Stop feeding them about the God you don't know. Nonsense.